Hello everyone. Today we will discuss one very important question of an interview. Which is this question? This question is to introduce about yourself. They may ask like this. Could you tell me about yourself? May I know something about you? Tell me about yourself, etc. How to answer this question? Today we will discuss do's and don'ts of this question. First thing, when they ask this question, we have to prove some of the qualities of us. We can show our confidence level, we can speak fluently, and we can show our communication skills here, boldness. Along with that, we have to answer for why they have to hire us. If we answer well for this question, this creates a great impression. First impression is the best impression. So, this may be the first question, correct? If we answer well, it may create a great impression on them. It may also reduce further questions for us. So, first thing, what shouldn't we include in introduction, self-introduction? Should we speak about family background? See this example. I am Nidhi. I am from Mysore. My father's name is Rutvik and my mother is Reshma. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I have two siblings. My elder sister is working in Infosys and my younger sister is still studying. No, we should not include family background. Why? That's because, see, if I want to sell this mobile, how should I sell this? I have to say all the positive qualities of this mobile and I have to convince other person, correct? So, if I speak about this thing, they will purchase this. If I speak about something else, they will purchase something else. So, if they have to hire me for a job, then I have to speak in such a way that it has to convince them to take me for a job. I have to say all the positive qualities of me. If I speak about my family background, what qualities do I prove there? Ma'am, then if they ask about family background, you speak about that. But from your side, don't speak about your family background because you have so many things to speak about you. So, speak about your qualities. This is the first thing. Second thing, do we have to speak about strengths and weaknesses? Yes, we have to speak about strengths, but not about weakness. See, what I think is, from my side, I never speak any negative things about me. Why should I speak negative things about me? Correct? So, let them know only the positive qualities of us. Don't speak any negative qualities about you. So, remove weakness. Similarly, whatever the negative things are there, don't mention from your side. Maybe if you have done education from an open university, don't mention that. So, you just say what you have completed, what education have you completed, but don't speak about the university. If your percentage is very high, speak about your percentage. If it's very low, then don't say your percentage is low. So, don't speak about any negative qualities there. Then, what do we need to include when we introduce? We have to speak about name, place, maybe education, experience, technical skills, other skills, strengths, achievements, if you have attended any seminars, if you have done any projects, speak all the good things about you, what you have learned so far, what you are good at, why should they hire you. Let's see some samples today then. I'll read out the sample and explain what information he has mentioned and why he has mentioned. So, if it's useful, use it in your introduction in an interview. Let's start the first one. I'm Sohan from Mysore. I completed my BCom from Manasa Gangotri University, securing 85%. In this introduction, he is mentioning his name, place, education, name of the university and percentage. If the name of the university is good, mention that. Otherwise, don't mention. If your percentage is high, mention. Otherwise, don't. Currently, I am pursuing an MCom in distance mode. He is showing how serious he is about his education. So, if you are pursuing any education, mention that. Or if you have further plans, then mention that. I am a fast learner and an innovative person. He is describing himself in 2 words here. So, you can describe in 1 or 2 words. In my previous role at XYZ company, where I worked for 2 years, I developed and maintained strong relationships with key clients, which led to a 15% increase in client retention and satisfaction. See here, he mentioned about his experience, but not only about his experience, he is also mentioning what he learned from there, how fruitful it was. So, if you have experience, mention how many years of experience you have. Also, speak about your achievements there. That is very important here. What you have learned and what is your achievement. Next, I am also passionate about basketball and chess. So, this is about your personal interests, your hobbies. You can speak about your hobbies and interests here. If given the opportunity to work here, I am confident that I would deliver exceptional result for the company. So finally, he is saying if he gets any opportunity, he would do the best there. So I hope this will be useful, and we will go for some other samples also. In the first sample, we saw how an experienced person spoke. Let's see this sample where this person doesn't have any experience. Then what does he include in his introduction? Hello, I am XYZ, a recent electrical engineering graduate from this university. While I lack direct professional experience, I have a solid foundation in circuit analysis, power systems and control theory from my coursework and projects. He mentioned his name and his education. But after his education, what he mentioned is very important, because if you don't have any experience, you have to at least mention what you have learned and how effectively you have learned. So, he mentioned what he has learned while doing his education. At university, I worked on a renewable energy research project designing a solar power generation system. This enhanced my technical skills and teamwork. Observe here, he didn't just mention he is a fresher. He also said how good he is as a candidate there. So, if you don't have experience, don't just mention you are a fresher. Instead, say what are you good at. That adds value to your introduction. I hope this will help you to modify your introduction. I am eager to leverage my academic background and passion for innovation to contribute to impactful projects at your company. Here, he adds how his academic excellence and passion will help the company to grow. So, this is the final statement. There are some questions from many students. They ask me whether they have to include all the information of the resume in the introduction. Example, the name, education, experience, technical skills, other skills, etc. Some people include all these information, but some people speak in a different way. They want to sound unique. They may not go in this order. They may highlight only their achievements or their technical skills or what they have learnt, or they may speak about the experience of their projects, the seminars they have attended. It may be anything. Anyway, they don't go in this order. Instead, they sound unique. So, it's on you actually. You have to decide how you have to introduce yourself. Finally, your answer should be unique, and that answer should catch the attention of an interviewer. You have to get that job. You have to convince that person. Your voice modulation has to convince. Your body language has to convince them. Your voice has to convince them. Your confidence level has to convince them. Your communication skills has to convince them. So you have to show all your qualities here. Now we will see the third sample and the final sample. I'm Neha, a mechanical engineer with a bachelor's degree and over 4 years of experience in the automotive industry. At XYZ, I designed and optimized components leading to a 20% increase in fuel efficiency and a 15% reduction in manufacturing costs. So observe here, she is speaking about the experience and her achievements. I have strong analytical skills and attention to detail which help me solve complex engineering problems. I thrive in collaborative environments and enjoy bringing projects from concept to completion. My career goal is to advance in engineering design and project management, focusing on sustainability and innovation. So she is speaking about skills. She is highlighting skills. So here, mainly she is highlighting her achievements and skills. Outside of work, I mentor young engineers and volunteer in STEM education programs. I'm excited to bring my skills and creativity to your team. I hope all these samples will help you design your introduction and be successful in your life. I'll discuss some other interview questions in my next videos. Thank you all of you.